This thing is so cool. Stop. See, they're from Arizona. That is so cool. The S500, man. This is cool. Alright, there's that Benz. Yeah, I'm gonna go see if she's there.
She always laughs.
Yeah. Miss Kim! Miss Kim! Hi, Miss Kim.
Hi.
How are you? Hey, I got your bulb. Look, I got the bulb. So we can change it right now.
Okay.
You want it?
Yeah.
Give me the key.
Okay. I want to write this.
I love this type of key. I call it little fish. Little fish. Yes. Alright, so let's see. As far as I remember, it was this bulb that was out. Okay. So I'm gonna take this bulb out. This one is dual filament. Just untwist it like that. Now I've got a new one here.
Look at her golf clubs.
Yeah, she's golfing. Yeah, she's. I'm gonna have a glove, so I'm gonna use this.
I got gloves. You want
Oh, for now it's okay. I'll just use the napkin.
Too much is
Huh?
just take
No,
it
it's
out.
okay. No, it's all right.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's enough space. No worries. Yeah.
You have to order that.
Here, one.
Special.
Hold
Online. Yeah.
Yeah, it's they don't have it in the store, you know.
You want me to
It's
record?
a special. Yeah, it's already doing that.
Okay.
See, it's a different one because it's it has like an offset. You know,
Yeah.
those offset pins. They're not straight. You know. So I'll just install it, twist it back in. Let's see.
I go to play every day.
You go every day?
Yeah.
That's good. I mean,
You
golf is fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. This looks good. Okay, now you just go inside. No, you, everyone. Oh, you try. Yeah, you can try. And then I'm gonna make sure that the lights work. No. Turn the lights on. Okay, it's still out. Hold on. Let me adjust it. Hold on a second. Hold on.
It's okay.
I'll adjust it.
Not yet.
This socket is a little.
Oh, it's loose.
No. Yeah, sometimes they get loose. So I have to adjust these a little bit. These metal parts. Then I'll install it back. Okay, go try it again. Just press the brakes. Still not working.
Oh, there. There.
Yeah, see, it's... Press it. There you go. Hold on. We're gonna show people. Release it. Press. There you go. Works. All right, let me show you. Go ahead and look.
It's okay?
Go look. Yeah, go look. Go look, and remember the right one wasn't working? So now see.
Okay.
Very good? Alright.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Perfect.
You changed the oil for her?
Yeah, I did change the oil on it too. So she's pretty much ready to go.
You carried the golf bag yourself? Heavy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice. Yeah, how's everything with you, Miss Kim? Good? You're just
Yeah.
golfing every day, right?
I think with its truck and
The tire?
no.
No?
This air condition and
No?
Not working?
Not working?
Where? The truck?
Yeah,
Okay,
I don't know.
gotta fix it.
We'll
Maybe not today, maybe other day, okay? We
Okay,
come,
next
we
time.
try, yeah.
This one.
It's
this is
okay?
yeah. Summertime. This one I drive. It's winter time I drive.
Oh, you switch. Yeah. That's the way to do it.
Yeah, it's alright. One more successful day, pretty much. Put the bulb in, the lady is happy, everything is good. And yeah, I mean, we're gonna start working on different stuff right now.